Subtraction. Subtracting 2, 3, 5, 10 or 0 from any number. Let's subtract 0. 5 minus 0 equals 5. We're taking nothing away or 0, so the number stays the same. What about 18 minus 0 is still 18. The number stays the same. And 351 minus 0 is still 351. When we're subtracting 0, the number always stays the same. When we're subtracting 2, we can count back on a number line. 5 minus 2. Adding, we go this way to the right, and subtracting, we move to the left. So find 5 on the number line here, and then count back. 1, 2. We land on 3, so 5 minus 2 equals 3. What about 15 minus 2? Find 15 on the number line, it's here, and count back 2. 1, 2. We land on 13. 15 minus 2 is 13. Subtracting 2 means we take 2 from the ones column. If the ones is bigger than the number we're subtracting, only the ones column changes. So 5 minus 2, they're the units, equals 3. If the ones column is smaller than the number you're subtracting, the tens column goes down. 11 minus 2. We can have 11 dots, 11 is the same as 10, plus another 1. If we take away 2, take away 1, and we have to break into the tens to take away another 1, we're left with 9. What about 21 minus 2? 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. If we take away 2, take away the 1, and we need to break into a 10. So we take away another 1, and we're left with 1 10 and 9 or 19. 1 minus 2 leaves a 9 in the ones column. 9 and 9. And we subtract 1 from the tens column. So from 1 goes to 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. When subtracting 5, we can count back on a number line. 9 minus 5. Find 9 on the number line and count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It equals 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. What about 19 minus 5? We find 19 on the number line and count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We land on 14. Subtracting 5 means taking 5 from the ones column. 9 minus 5 equals 4. If the ones are bigger or equal to the number we're subtracting, the tens column stays the same. Stays either 0 or 1. If the ones column is less than the number we're subtracting, the tens column also changes. So 13 minus 5. We have 13 dots, it's the same as 1 10 and 3 ones. Now we need to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, and we need to break into the tens. 4, 5. We're left with 8. 13 minus 5 equals 8. What about 33 minus 5? 33 is 3 lots of 10 plus another 3. So we have 33 dots and we take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, and we need to break into one of the tens. 4, 5. Now we're left with 2 tens and 8 or 28. 3 minus 5 leaves 8 in the ones column. And we subtract 1 from the tens column. So 1 or 10 becomes 0 and 3 minus 1 equals 2. When subtracting 10, we can count back on a number line. 12 minus 10. We find 12 on the number line here and count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It equals 2. 12 minus 10 equals 2. What about 19 minus 10? We find 19 on the number line and count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It equals 9. The ones column stays the same. The 2 stays the same and the 9 stays the same, but the tens column goes down by 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. The tens column's gone down by 1. Remember, addition makes numbers bigger and we move to the right on the number line. Subtraction makes numbers smaller and we move to the left on the number line. When subtracting 0, the number stays the same. When subtracting 2, we take 2 from the ones column. The tens column stays the same unless we subtract 2 from a 1. And when we subtract 5, we take 5 from the ones column. The tens column stays the same unless we subtract 5 from 4 or less. When subtracting 10, we take 1 from the tens column. The ones column stays the same.